Hey guys, I am going to do an unboxing of this under cabinet lighting motion sensor, and it's from the company called ASOKO. I believe that's how you pronounce it. They sent me an email the other day and wanted me to try out this under the cabinet lighting system, and so we're going to unbox it. Let's take a look and see what we got here in this with this box. I'm not for sure what that is. The email I got was from ASOKO, but I noticed that this says ASOKO series. So, but I looked at their website and this is what we bought them. Let's see what we have here. I like USB-C. You got the regular, I think that's type A, commonly found on computers. And let's see here what we have. Oh, that's already on. It's a pretty thick light as far as the width this way, but thin. Okay. And that's pretty strong. And then you take the tape off and mount them up under the cabinet. So we're probably doing that here in just a little bit. Let's see what else we have here. There we go. Comes with two. I am sure they need to be charged before we proceed. Let's see what kind of charge it comes with at all. Oh golly. Yeah, it comes with a charge already. Okay. Alright. That's pretty good. That's just one light. This light here is real dim right now. Figured out this one here is pretty decently bright. So let's get these things charged up and we'll go from there. I'll bring you guys back after they're charged up and I have them installed. Okay guys, we're in the TBI cave and we're going to finish up this review of the under cabinet lighting ASOKO series from ASOKO. Okay, real quick, when I put these on chargers last night, you guys saw it was a red light on each of those units, and when it's fully charged it'll have a green light. You can see here this is actually a motion sensor, and this here is a sensor that you can touch, and it has 5 different lightings, levels of lighting with these under the cabinet units. Comes with 2 of these chargers, USB, so I get zoomed in, USB-C to USB-A cord. Okay, and I have one installed right up underneath there. Now at first I thought that I would need a longer extension to pull up all the way up to there to charge it. It's not what you do. You easily take that off. The 3M backing on these metal plates stay right where they're supposed to, and you simply take this down and charge it. Okay. So I'm really impressed with this product, guys. It does exactly what I wanted it to do. You know, I have these types of lights underneath this area here. I still have one over here and one over here because I just took this one down to demonstrate this, but these ones from Walmart have the actual different colors like red and green, blue. They have a remote control, as you can see right here. But this product here is real convenient and handy. First and foremost, it's rechargeable. I love that about it. The other brand that I was using, you have to use 3 AAA batteries. It drains down pretty quick as you're using them. This magnetic part here is real handy because, like I said, you put those up there under the cabinet and it just sticks to it and doesn't move. Everything's great. You can turn it on just like that, and it provides tons of light wherever you need it. This is a long set of cabinets, so I would put one of these, if I wanted this really well lit, I'd put one under each door here. Okay, but for right now, until I get another one of these, I'll probably use this as a backup for right now. This is my main work area, and it is lit up pretty darn good. That sensor here, not the motion sensor, it turns it on and off if you have it on auto. This little thumbprint sensor, see, it changes to a different level of lighting. They say 5 colors, I call them 5 levels. Okay, 5 different levels. That's the brightest one. Really cool, guys. If I want to recharge it, just pull it down and plug it in right here until it's charged, and then I'll put it up. You can just put it right back up. It's easy to take on and off to charge, so that's really good. All right, let's see about the automatic. All right, I've got it set on auto right now. I've got to be real still, and you'll watch it shut off. See, it faded out right then and there. So what was that, 30 seconds? Okay, now it's set on automatic. All you gotta do, just move just a little bit and it catches it and comes back right on. Pretty cool feature. So I will put a link in the description box on this product. I definitely give it 2 thumbs up. I think it's so far a great idea, a great product, and I'm glad that they found my channel and sent me information to acquire these. Appreciate this company, and like I said, you guys, if you need some under the cabinet lighting, you might try these out. Appreciate you guys stopping by.